I'm Alison and I'm a Welfare Rights Officer in the Council's Welfare Rights team. We provide free, confidential, impartial and non-judgmental advice to residents in Perth and Kinross. We also represent people in court and tribunals if they have been declined benefits. Many people don't realise they're actually entitled to more benefits than they're claiming, and we can check your circumstances and find out if you are actually entitled to any benefits. Well, last year over 5,000 people contacted us for some benefit advice, and we were able to put an additional 6.5 million in the pockets of Perth and Kinross residents. Winter's here with us now, and for many people, well, most of us, that means an increase in their fuel bills, and that can be a very worrying time for people. In particular, it's been made worse this year by the COVID-19 pandemic, and that has had a major impact on people's household incomes. If you think you're going to struggle with your bills this winter, please get in touch with Welfare Rights and we can help to give some advice on what benefits might be out there for you to claim. For example, there's a few additional payments that are available to people on low incomes to help with fuel costs. You must be in receipt of a qualifying benefit to have entitlement. One example is the warm home discount, and that's the amount of £140 off your electricity bill, so that's going to reduce your bill by that amount. You have to get in touch with your own energy provider to find out if you are entitled to that, because different energy suppliers have their own criteria to satisfy. You may also qualify for a winter fuel payment, and that can be between £100 and £300 depending on your age. We can also arrange for you to get a home visit where our expert staff will come out to the house and they will look around and they will be able to offer you some advice and information on maybe cutting the cost of your fuel bills or what you can do to help. The Council also provides a range of other support, and they offer things like there's free school meals, you can get free school clothing grants, you can get help with your council tax, help with your housing costs. We can also link you to a wide range of other local organisations for advice and support, people like Citizens Advice Bureau and Perth and Kinross Food Bank. If you're feeling the pinch and you feel like you could do with some extra support this winter, then please call us straight away. We know this is a tough time for many people and our friendly staff are here to help.